Happy Wednesday. I'm going to show you guys how to get onto Newsela and some of the features of Newsela. So go ahead and go to modules, click on today's date, which is 119, and so here we go. We've already reviewed the vocabulary, and now we're going to go to Newsela. So you can click on the site here. It will bring you to Newsela, and you can search, or you can click here and it will bring you to the Newsela site as well. Okay, so once you're at the Newsela site, you're going to go to search, and what you're going to do is you're going to just type in Mars. And you can see that there are a lot of articles about Mars. Some are more recent than others. This one is about the helicopter that was part of the Perseverance mission. And once you choose on an article, select an article, you can also search in Spanish. And so I accidentally chose this one before. So you can see there's certain features. You can read aloud. You can have it read aloud to you. And it's not really real.
Space Dream is a little closer for Maryland Woman by Baltimore Sun, adapted by Newsela staff. Published March 29, 2015.
So it is a robot. Forgot about that. It's a robot reading. You can go up here to this number. This is called your Lexile level, and you can change it. One of the things that you can put it to the Lexile level that is appropriate for you. If you're not sure what your Lexile level is, I can help you with that. One of the things that I like to do is I like to sometimes put it all the way down, and then I can see what the titles are about, so I can make sure I get all the parts about it. So usually when I bring it down, it simplifies it, and that helps me make sure I get the main ideas. And then I can go back to my Lexile level. Another thing that you can do with this, or I want you to notice, is that it has that title. This is called the title. And then it also has these headlines, these subheadings. So here's a subheading, digging deep into the applicant pile. All right. Packing a spaceship carry-on supplies. And an ambitious timeline. Okay. And she's willing to take the risk. Okay. So you can kind of get a sense of what this is about before even reading it. And seeing this woman look really excited. And it says here, the caption says, Laura Smith of Velasquez is one of the 100 semi-finalists in the Mars One program, which hopes to establish a permanent human settlement on Mars by sending crews of 4 every 2 years starting in 2024. Crazy. All right, so I just wanted to show you some of the features. Oh, they have these activities too. And then they have, sometimes they'll have a quiz, and that's kind of fun.